Hello, my name is Gérardine Goh Escolar. I am Adjunct Associate Professor of Law at the National University of Singapore. Today, I will speak about the settlement of disputes relating to international space law. Now, astronauts that have seen our planets from afar always remember the moment they experienced the overview effect. This orbital perspective describes a cognitive shift in awareness upon seeing firsthand the reality of the Earth from outer space or the surface of the Moon. The moment in which the Earth appears as a tiny, fragile ball shielded by an incredibly delicate, thin atmosphere.